Day 3. French Elegance Breakfast, Croque. Madame ingredients: 4 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons butter, 4 slices of ham, 4 slices of Gruyere cheese, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup bechamel sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Spread butter on one side of each bread slice. Place 2 slices on the griddle, buttered side down. Layer each with a slice of ham and Gruyere cheese. Top with the remaining bread slices, buttered side up. Cook until the bread is golden and the cheese is melted, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. In a skillet on the griddle, cook the eggs sunny side up. Top each sandwich with bechamel sauce and a cooked egg. Season with salt and pepper before serving. French toast ingredients: 4 slices of thick bread. Brioche or challah works well. 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons butter, maple syrup, and powdered sugar. For serving instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. Dip each bread slice into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are well coated. Melt butter on the griddle. Cook the soaked bread slices until golden brown on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Serve warm with maple syrup and a dusting of powdered sugar. Lunch, Quiche Lorraine. Ingredients: 1 pre-made pie crust, 6 slices bacon, cooked and crumbled 1 cup, Gruyere cheese, grated 1/2 cup onions, finely chopped 1 cup heavy cream, 3 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, fresh chives chopped for garnish. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the pie crust in a pie dish and pre-bake for 10 minutes. In a bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, eggs, salt, and pepper. Stir in the crumbled bacon, grated cheese, and chopped onions. Pour the mixture into the pre-baked pie crust. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the quiche is set and golden brown. Garnish with fresh chives before serving. Nicoise salad. Ingredients: 2 cups mixed greens, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/2 cup Kalamata olives, 1/2 cup blanched green beans, 2 hard-boiled eggs, quartered, 1 can tuna, drained 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, olives, green beans, hard-boiled eggs, tuna, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat. Serve immediately. Dinner, coq au vin. Ingredients: 4 bone-in chicken thighs, 2 cups red wine, 1 cup chicken broth, 4 slices bacon, chopped 1 large onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 cup mushrooms, sliced 2 carrots, sliced 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. In a large pot on the griddle, cook the chopped bacon until crispy. Remove and set aside. Season the chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Brown them in the bacon fat until golden on both sides. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, sauté the chopped onion, garlic, mushrooms, and carrots until softened. Stir in the tomato paste, thyme, and bay leaf. Add the red wine and chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Return the chicken and bacon to the pot. Bring to a simmer and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour until the chicken is tender and the sauce has thickened. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Ratatouille. Ingredients: 1 large eggplant, diced 1 zucchini, diced 1 bell pepper, diced 1 large tomato, chopped 1 onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon thyme, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil, chopped for garnish. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. In a large skillet on the griddle, heat the olive oil. Add the chopped onion and garlic and sauté until softened. Add the diced eggplant, zucchini, bell pepper, and tomato. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Stir in the thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook for another 5 minutes until the flavors are well combined. Garnish with fresh basil before serving. Dessert crème brûlée. Ingredient: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 vanilla bean, split and scraped 5 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar for topping. Instructions: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream and vanilla bean until just simmering. Remove from heat and let steep for 15 minutes. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar until pale and thick. Gradually whisk the warm cream into the egg yolk mixture. Strain the mixture to remove the vanilla bean. Pour the custard into ramekins and place in a baking dish. Fill the dish with hot water halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until the custards are set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Before serving, sprinkle brown sugar on top and caramelize with a kitchen torch. Madeleines ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup butter, melted and cooled. Powdered sugar for dusting instructions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a Madeleine pan. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, beat the eggs and sugar until thick and pale. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gently fold the flour mixture into the egg mixture. Fold in the melted butter until just combined. Spoon the batter into the prepared Madeleine pan, filling each mold about 2/3 full. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden and the centers spring back when touched. Let cool and dust with powdered sugar before serving. Conclusion of Day 3. Today we have savored the elegance of French cuisine with delightful recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From the savory Croque Madame to the delicate Madeleine, each dish brings a taste of France's culinary finesse to your table. Elegance, a distinctive feature instilled by centuries-old traditions, is reflected not only in manners, but also in the subtleties of cooking. Do you friends have the same opinion? Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.